Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Thank you very much for all the subscribers and viewers. Charlie Chaplin, an English actor, a Hollywood legend, and the most important figure in the history of film industry, who entertained the audience with his spectacular, hilarious performances. Today, I would like to talk about an incident happened in his life. When Charlie Chaplin completed 60 years of his life, the American people decided to honor him. He was a great celebrity, so people decided to honor him. And they came up with a nationwide competition called Charlie Chaplin Lookalike Contest, where the participants should walk like Charlie Chaplin, they should act like Charlie Chaplin, and they should dress up like Charlie Chaplin, they should do everything like Charlie Chaplin. And the prize money for that competition is $100,000. So many people got excited to participate in this event and to act like Charlie Chaplin. So thousands of people gave names to that contest. The real Charlie Chaplin saw this advertisement in a television and he thought, why don't I give a try to this competition? Let me also participate in this. And he applied to this competition in a false name, Thomas Young. So Thomas Young was the real Charlie Chaplin who walked into that competition to participate, but nobody was aware of that. The competition was held at Opera House, Los Angeles in United States of America, and it was running successfully. And 6 participants got qualified for the final round. The judges gave 10 minutes to each and every participant of the final round, and the participants gave their best. The judges were ready to announce their judgment. The jury announced that Thomas Young got second prize in this competition. Can you believe that? Thomas Young was the real Charlie Chaplin who got second prize for acting like himself. Then he went to the judges and told them, "Can I speak over microphone?" And the judges said, "Okay, you can." Then he pulled the mic and faced the audience and told them, "Sorry folks, I have cheated all of you. I am the real Charlie Chaplin." The audience got shocked and surprised with the presence of real Charlie Chaplin on the stage. More interestingly, the judges got even more surprised and shocked and even got embarrassed because they gave second prize for the real Charlie Chaplin who acted like himself. Then the Charlie Chaplin turned towards the audience and told them, whatever the judgment given by the jury was absolutely right. I don't deserve to get the first prize because I made a mistake. The moment I got qualified for the final, I went through all my movies. I watched my movies again and again, and whatever the performance I did in front of you today was not creative, was not original, because I imitated my own actions and I lost creativity because of my imitation. So Charlie Chaplin said, I don't deserve the first prize because of my imitation. My dear friends, by means of this story, it is very obvious that imitation is the biggest threat to creativity. If you try to imitate someone or if you try to imitate your own previous actions, you lose your creativity. It will kill your creativity. So let's not imitate. Be more creative in your approach. It will make you more successful. Thank you very much for watching.